Money. It's one of the most important, yet most misunderstood aspects of our lives. We chase it, we save it, and we think it's going to solve all our problems. But here's the thing. You've been fed a lie your whole life. You've been told that diligently saving your money in some sleepy bank account is your golden ticket to financial security. Well, it's not. And if you can't handle having your financial world turned upside down, then this isn't for you. But if you're ready to confront some harsh realities and change your financial destiny, then stick around. This video is going to be a game changer. I'm Will, and I teach people about investing, personal finance, and money. I've walked the path you seek, and today I have several businesses and investments that provide me income every single month, meaning I never have to work another day in my life. If you plan on becoming financially free, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button if you find this video valuable. Everyone's got their life hacks for scrimping a few cents here and there. Stop ordering at Starbucks and bag your lunch. But if you think that's going to make you wealthy, you're in for a rude awakening. Look, saving money is all well and good, but don't mistake it for a strategy to get rich or retire early. Contrary to what most believe, the act of saving alone won't make you wealthy. Think about it. If saving a few $100 a month was the ticket to financial freedom, everyone would be retired by now, living the high life on some tropical island. Compound interest doesn't just materialize because you passed on a latte. Sure, it's great to have some cash in the bank, but it's not going to lead you to early retirement or make you a millionaire. Let me break it down for you. Your household wealth enables early retirement, not the chump change you save by eating out less. Wealth is not about the money you have, it's about what you do with the money you have. Now, I'm not saying saving is bad, it's great, it's very necessary, but it's not going to make you wealthy on its own. If you really want to prepare for a future that's more secure than a post-apocalyptic bartering system, then your focus should be on investing the money you save. That's where the magic happens. Store your money under a mattress and you're only preparing for the end of the world, not for a comfortable early retirement. And even if the world ends, I doubt the convenience store down the street will be open for you to spend that carefully saved cash. You know, most people are obsessed with how much they earn or how much they save. They think that's the ticket to wealth and financial freedom. But here's a nugget of wisdom for you. Your earnings and savings are not the be-all and end-all of your financial health. If you're part of the 98% that go through life punching the clock, paying bills, and managing to have a little fun on the weekends, you're not alone. And there's no shame in it. But if you want to break free, you've got to shift your perspective. Let's be real. You don't need to be the most frugal individual in your neighborhood, and you don't have to be a business mogul who sells off companies for 8 figures. Heck, you can even indulge in a Pepsi at dinner, if that's what tickles your fancy. These details, as amusing as they may be, are essentially inconsequential in the grand scheme of things. What really matters is the purpose of your money. What is your money doing for you right now? Is it lounging lazily in a bank account being eroded by inflation? Or is it out there hustling in the investment markets, bringing you a return? Your money should be more than numbers on a screen or paper in a wallet. It should be a tool, a worker, a soldier, pick your metaphor, that's out there making more money for you. Once you grasp that, you're not just another cog in the wheel, struggling to make ends meet. You're an orchestrator of your financial destiny, directing your resources to build something far greater. In his book, Retire Young, Retire Rich, Robert Kiyosaki states the trouble with selling your labor for money is that there is only so much you can do. Once you earn your money, you need to put it to work. Saving money isn't useless, it's just not the end game. It's the ammo, but you still need a strategy to win the war. Your money's purpose, plus your motivation, equals your chances of financial freedom. The motivation part is on you. I can't make you want to be financially independent. You've got to want it bad enough to make some sacrifices. Now the money's purpose? That's where the game really starts. When I say purpose, I mean what your money is doing for you. Is it growing, multiplying, and generating more wealth? Or is it just sitting in some sad, low-interest account, losing value to inflation every day? Remember, money doesn't grow through osmosis. It grows through smart investment. So you've cut back on the lattes and date nights, and now you've got a little pile of cash. Congrats, you've managed to save. That's step one. What's step two? Investing. Don't just sit on your laurels. Take that money and put it somewhere. It's going to grow exponentially. Stocks, real estate, mutual funds, startups, find out what works for you. In a good investment, your money isn't just sitting around, it's actively working for you. It's like having a little army of dollar bills marching out and capturing more dollar bills for you. With the right investments, your money earns more money through the miracle that is compound interest. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill, growing bigger and bigger as it goes. Just to make it clear, savings will give you a cushion, a safety net, something to fall back on, but you don't want to build a fortune on safety nets. You build it on smart, aggressive, but well-calculated risks. That's why you need to invest. The more you have invested, the more you stand to gain. If done correctly, you'll soon find that you've got enough passive income to cover your expenses. And that, my friend, is when you can start sipping that cocktail on a beach somewhere. Okay, you've recognized the importance of giving your money a purpose. Fantastic. But what does that mean in practical terms? How do you take this concept and translate it into actionable steps? Well, let's get down to it. Firstly, knowledge is power. Know where every cent of your money is going. Yes, budgets are useful for this, but your bank statement can be an eye-opener too. Take a hard look at those statements. See those recurring monthly payments for services you no longer use? Get rid of them. If your money is leaving your pocket, make sure it's doing so for a good reason. Second, have a vision for your future. A cloudy, ambiguous vision won't do. What does success mean to you? Early retirement? A house in the Hamptons? A fund for your children's education? Whatever your end game, knowing it will serve as the compass that guides your financial decisions. You need to care about your future self. If you don't, why should your money? Third, invest. Whether it's a 401k or a brokerage account, the key is to get your money into the market. And if you're fortunate enough to work for a company that matches 401k contributions, at least contribute that much. Think of it as doubling your money without lifting a finger. And as a bonus, you reduce your tax burden. Don't expect overnight miracles from your investments. The road to wealth accumulation is more like a marathon than a sprint. There's no shortcut, no magic formula that will turn you into a millionaire in a year. But that's fine, because building wealth isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a long-term project. Persistence is your best friend. Don't be disheartened if your portfolio doesn't explode with gains in the first year. That's not how it works. Keep plugging away, keep investing, and give it time. Like any worthy endeavor, building wealth requires commitment, discipline, and a dash of patience. Your money should be more than a means for immediate gratification. It should be a tool for crafting the life you envision for yourself in the future. Realize where your money is going, decide where you want it to take you, and plan accordingly. That's how you give your money purpose, and by sticking to this principle, you not only steer your finances in the right direction, but also edge closer to realizing your life's aspirations $1 at a time. If you thought this video was helpful, check out this video on how to build wealth using the 50-30-20 rule.